This man. ਇਹ ਧਾਰੀਵਾਲ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਰਾਜਾ ਸਾਂਸੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਇਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਬਿਕਰਮਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ, 26 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਧਾਰੀਵਾਲ ਪਿੰਡ ਹੈ, ਰਾਜਾ ਸਾਂਸੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। He was arrested by our CIA Amritsar, Inspector Ravinder Singh, who picked him up, and he has admitted. And the other man who we are on to, and ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲਾਂਗੇ। ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਅਵਤਾਰ ਸਿੰਘ, and this is him.
Both the pictures in one hand.
For a long time now, and this is something that's going to continue in the whole country, is that the Pakistan ISI is very active. The passes in Kashmir have closed. They closed by about October this year. The snows have been earlier. So you will find activity shifting south. And this is something that we will have to be on our guard, on our toes, and our force is totally on its toes. We will not allow these things to happen. I can guarantee you peace will remain in this place. Now this has taken less than 72 hours to trace these people out and catch them. That I think is goes the credit to the force. But something is that they are dropping arms in here. We have had where are those figures? Yeah. We have there have been, since our government came into being, we have busted 17 modules. 81 people have been arrested who have been picking up weapons and all. 77 arms have been seized, in addition to IEDs, grenades, ammunition of various types. So everything, just because no incident takes place, that doesn't mean it's not been happening. But our force has been one step ahead of them, and we have been able to neutralize those packages which have come from across. Now this package was, they don't dump packages, they dump grenades by pieces. Now this grenade is a HE-84. It's a Pakistan Ordnance Factory grenade. It is a, this is the type of grenade which has been taken from other modules. This is the one that's being used against the forces in Kashmir, and this is the one that bursts. Now this one is made under license by the Pakistan Ordnance Factory, and it is filled with pellets, ball-bearing type of pellets. All those people injured in hospital in Amritsar have got pellet wounds, small pellets, jaise charre hunde ne 12 bore de vich, those type of pellets, and it flings. Jede sade grenade ne HE-36, that is a pineapple shape with a crinkly outside thing which bursts, and those steel fragments fly across. So this is a different type of grenade which they have been using. Unfortunately, the 3 people who were sitting around where it landed were hit badly, and there was deep penetration. The others, fortunately, are only skin deep infections or pellets you can see, whether it's on the cheek or whether it's on the arm or hands or something. So this is the type of work that they're going to be doing. What they do is they bring them, and then they further distribute it, and people are told कि तू जाके फलाने दरख्त दे थले उथे एक ग्रेनेड है और चक के लिया। ये जरा सिटिया गया सी आ दरख्त दे थले मिले सी उन्हां नूं। It's where this is encircled, there's a hole, and he was told to dig it up from there and throw it. So these are things that Pakistan ISI is resorting to, and we have to be one step ahead of them, and we will be one step ahead of them. I can assure Punjab, we will not allow this to happen. We have already prevented so many incidents, and we will prevent them again. This is the one that we also recovered here in Punjab in May this year.
May last year.
May 2017. And this is also the one which we've just recovered in Patiala from this chap, Shabnamdeep Singh, which is here. Here is it also. Last month it was in November last year. There is no communal business in this. This is a pure case of terrorism. They are easy targets, so they were targeted. We have had information in the past about other organizations that were being targeted, but we took precautionary measures and prevented that happening. And that is exactly what we are going to ensure for the future. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਬ੍ਰਿਗੇਡੀਅਰ ਮਾਰਤਾ, ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰ RSS ਤੇ ਮਾਰਤੇ, ਹੋਰ ਇੱਕ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਅਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਆ, they are going in for large scale killings. इस पे पाकिस्तान ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री का निशान है. And these are POF made Pakistan Ordnance Factory grenades. They are made with the know-how from Austria. So we are well. This is not the first time. This is not the first. This has been used against the army in Kashmir. This is the NIA has gone through those grenades. I will explain the usage. ये सारी कुछ सानू पता लग गया सी. ये पता कि केड़े किस्म के ग्रेनेड. खालिस्तान लिबरेशन फोर्स. ये मिलिटेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो हम पाकिस्तान इस्तेमाल करेगी हो साढ़े खिलाफ. What is that? Their job is to disturb the peace. Disturb. एक मिनट करके जेड़ा इत्थे शांति है माहौल, शांति का माहौल बिगाड़न वास्ते ये लोग ये पाकिस्तान दी ISI करेगी. देखो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है. पहला एक बंदा फड़िया, दूजा हाले फड़िया नहीं. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਊਗਾ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਦੱਸਣਾ. ਦੇਖੋ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਭੰਗ ਕਰਨਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਨੇ ਡਿਸਟਰਬ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਮੀਨਸ ਪੀਸ ਫॉर them. ਐਂਡ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਡਿਸਟਰਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਡਿਸਟਰਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਰਾਜਸਥਾਨ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਗੇ ਔਰ ਗੁਜਰਾਤ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਗੇ. all along their borders. A disturbed border is Pakistan's internal security. अपने आप समझो.
ਆਰਮੀ ਚੀਫ ਨੇ ਅਲਰਟ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ 14 ਨਵੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਅਲਰਟ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੇਲਿਅਰ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਤੇ? ਪਲੀਜ਼
ਆਰਮੀ ਚੀਫ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਿਆਨ ਹੁਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ 2017 ਦੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੋਡਿਊਲਸ ਬਸਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ, ਵਾਟ ਆਰ ਥੀਸ ਮੋਡਿਊਲਸ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਆਪਰੇਟਰ ਨੇ, ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ 51 ਬੰਦੇ ਅਰੈਸਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹੀ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ. और जेड़े 17 हथियार असी फड़े ने AK-47s and all, it is all part of this issue.
Sir, former Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal has written to the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh saying that Congress government using radicals to distract attention from its own failures. What do you have to say on it?
Who has written this?
Prakash Singh Badal has written to Union Home Minister.
Prakash Singh Badal can write what he likes. It doesn't bother us. The Home Ministry has its own sources of information. The Intelligence Bureau knows. 1 minute. Intelligence Bureau and all the central agencies know what exactly is happening here. So whether anybody wants to use it politically, which I'm afraid is a sad thing, that you are trying to politicize those people who are trying to kill innocent people to create a situation in the state.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ, ਜੋਸ਼, ਜਜ਼ਬਾ, ਜਨੂਨ.